How to fix Amazon Freevee app not working. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Freevee application is not working, firstly check that if it is available for your region. If not, and if you are trying to use it via a VPN connection, such issue may persist. In that case, just toggle off your VPN connection. If the freebie is available in your device or your region but the issue still persists, then check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better network or cellular data or toggle on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After that, launch your Freevee application once again. Third option is there might be a technical glitch or the bug issue. To fix it, press and hold onto the application, head to App Info, force stop it, tap on OK, head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue causing such problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.